Everything here? Here? What has happened? What has happened? No, I need to respond. Yeah, okay. I'm good. I need to see the problem, man. You know, like, I'm not bad, I'm not bad. Sorry. I'm like really bad. I'm very bad. I'm so lagging. And lagging so badly. What? One? See, I need to look here, I'm bad. I wanna go with my other low now. I can guess them, but now, nice. We're gonna put in, we're gonna put in. I'm gonna put the work one, okay, so I need it. And I think easier for me. See. Look at the focus. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna put him. I fell, he's lost. He's lost, he lost. Okay. Skins, using skins and things. Okay, so what the heck up in here? No way I'm gonna bite it this way. I'm gonna scratch stuff. I can't go food for him. I can't go cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna go with sniper. Driver. He's like, he has skins. Okay, no. No, sorry. Yeah, I couldn't do anything. That disco music is so there. You can see. Nice. GG. Sad. I really love when it says, yeah, this is the best team ever. And boo! That was sick, I know. Bro, oh, I know. Yeah. my loadout? Cat. Sniper. Dragon. I'm not trying hard in the right. I'm not trying hard because like it's not worth it because there's just a girl. I didn't know. Bro, your aim is like the worst. Bro! Your aim must be so bad. Okay, you cook. You that. You cook. Yeah, you cook. What is your movement, bro? Yeah, you cook. Bro, you cook. Just give it up. Just give up. And I think she's gonna snipe you because she's like so bad. I think she's gonna do it. Bro, you have to listen to me. What if you're not listening? I need to pick revolver. Okay, she's kinda good. I'm not gonna lie. What, what was that? What was that finisher? Okay, no, oh no, it wasn't. Oh, what this is? Okay, look, I'm gonna look here. They get to come back and go fast. She's not gonna beat me, like, how did he got me, bro? I'm just even beside her. Okay, they are full tryhard. They are full tryhard. Like, the 92 was, one, I got one. Yes, good job. Because you have aim assist like really OP. That's not skill. We're not noobs. We are not noobs. No, my watermark is so big, but I can't afford the. Okay, sorry. That's the thing. Hey, you could take them, but do you? Yes, you got it. Yeah. And she has also bazooka. Yeah. You would, oh, bro, don't waste your ammo. That's bro. Okay, you cook. Mm. Why did you beat? You're the worst player of all time. You're the worst. Eh? This guy is the worst. Worst. W. Worst. I'm gonna cover this all up. Eh? I'm just nothing or something. I'm gonna show the screen. I just like recording like a good, but what is that? You know when you like record the this what the not good. Why would I think you this is all okay now this oh okay. Yes, I'm gonna take the 111 level. Okay, because this is good. Okay, you can take whatever you want. Let's just go and let's try our best. Let's try how it goes. Like good. It's already you almost got it. Okay, one of them is two in idea. No, I'm not. Okay, I hear someone use a term. Everyone's scamming. Okay, okay, okay. This sounds too much. Too much fiction. I'm sick of him. I feel the roller with them. You died? Yes. Good one. I'm bad with my I'm really sure. I'm sure. Oh my god, my they're really annoying. I literally up son, I couldn't do anything. I was like, I was doing position. No, no, my headphones are just not listening to me. No, he's not gonna come to that. So he's not dumb, right? Dumb. Okay, how did he have thermopause, assault rifle? What gun is he using with that? Ah, screen. Oh, that's right, not thermopause. So he's to win. You're the one, you're like the worst player of all time. Oh, I have 160 damage. I got it here. I could go knife and then Ventilon, Davaka, or then what any feel because you feel bad. You pop the one button. Pop them, bro! Fish! We were like scanning knife and on the road. I pop. Okay, he got rid of it. Last time. We kind of cooked this. Yeah, you cooked. Yeah. What are you doing? Mm-hmm. Stop the pass. Yeah. Well, no, 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 no. Oh, I can't. No, no, promote me. I don't want to play this. What else I'm going to watch it? Let's do one more round. No, okay, okay. Wait, the chicken game is. What is what? Oh, okay. One round. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One next. Not round. What? I prepare to be. We win. We win. We will win. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna win. Dat lijkt het steken in een look like it's finished. Oh! What? He has no scope clear. Okay. Molly. Yeah, he's and but this is impossible this game mode. Ah, acho que estranho que não dá. Eles que não dá, bro. Essa conquista mole. How did you knife me, bro? I'm gonna put the worst. I'm gonna put the flame flare. Mud. I'm gonna kill one. What? This is not insta pyro. Yeah, this is trash. It's trash. That's oh yeah, it's good. Let's go. I will tell that I'm recording but like he's gonna stop something. I literally why bro no. Bro, I'm gonna kill this guy. Yeah, he's left. He's second. Yeah. Okay. I was not in the first year pretending to be a noob. When I go together I pretend to be a noob, it actually is really fun. And I got a free I got free master. And then I just exposed them and they killed them and then I got some free bounty. Yeah, I'm not falling for that. I'm gonna roll. Okay, what can we get? And I got ring. I see a free goat. I see a free goat lying on the ground. Yeah. What is this? What? Ha! I got it. Ha! Oh, you really want to take this? Yeah. Take. You can take it. This is a sanguine alpha. Ooh, I want to check this. Raging demon. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a meteor. I know. Ooh. Yeah. And he's equipped. Now he's equipped with the Leviathan shield, the two of the rings, Then the second, and then the fourth, then the third, and then the fifth, and the fifth. No, I don't know. Um, like every single fruit, bro. Bro, he can, bro just ate. Okay, I can add more, I can add things. No, per, per, per. When we talk with fruit, what, no, no, no. Okay, someone just TP me. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, I'm done, yeah. It's just, listen, I wasn't even looking, bro. Bro, he has like mustache. Let's take him out together. Boom, I go down to this funny thing. Okay, nah, this is gonna be impossible. I said he's gonna be. Okay, hello, there is one who needs to grow up. Nope, psych, ignore, ignore. Oh, hello there. Okay, spiders. Kryptonite, nice. Berat, siap. And know that I'm dumb or something. Uh, let's go to the second scene, pretend to be noobs, okay? Let's go to the second scene. Wait, first scene to pretend like we're noobs and then check out all the players and then like kill them. Okay? It's really fun. I did like a lot of times. It's fun to do. Ooh, that's the perfect server. I hope that no one checks the remember when I have like 2.5 million bounty. What a nice server. Yeah. No, no, no. Then I'm gonna put portal, and I'm not gonna show it, and then I'm gonna like not use. I'm gonna use like the wait. I can't. I'll put your desktop like. unput everything that is in the second tier and you good, okay? And I'm gonna equip that multiple so Katana, yeah, dual Katana. No, yeah, dual, no, I don't know. You like that? No, but we're gonna put them like to level 56, bro. You get dual Katana. On level 56, no, you get dual Katana, not 100 mace. Boom! No, 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 just the like LED that we want to protect children. Okay? Okay, now let's wait. I'm gonna go to the spell. Look for phone. He's Thailand. Okay, let's go there. No, we have to go a little bit lower, but let's do this. Now, and like it's, no, he goes to this. No. Adam Frost. Adam Frost. Yeah, he's perfect. 172. Perfect. He could help us. He could help us a lot. We will just fine. Just don't show anything that is OP, okay? Be careful with this, no. Yes, bro. Okay. Also Island. Why do I have him alley, bro? Come on, bro. Wait, don't use it out. You never like. Bro, wait. Wait, unput your aura, unput your aura. Eh, unput your unequip it. No, I didn't say equip it, unequip it. No, don't. No, don't attack him. He doesn't really have a lot of health. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I hate. Okay, let's go to other thing. Like one's band. This is nice. Oh, Kadir, no, Kadir, I go to Kadir. He has 1 million thing, you know. He's a, oh, okay. Okay, then let's go. Okay, Fatala. Desert. No, but he's like really low level. No. Look at left, left wide. That's what it is. Left wide. Level 700, he's gonna help us. He's a Skyline. Look, what, can you climb this up there? Then why this here? Bro, don't you do that too much. He's gonna know that you're, bro. And then, like, you remember how to get, who said he's here. There are two people. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh. Okay, he's attacking me. No. That's not happening, bro. Please. I'm begging. Bro! Bounty hunters. Okay, let's go. Let's go to another thing. This is too bad. Well, let's get in there. Join me, like Lena, join me, okay? You, bro, don't attack random players, okay? It's very hard. Don't attack them. Like 273 or 1 second. Bro, don't do that, okay? If, don't do that. Let's you and then, okay, I'm not gonna pick you, I'm gonna pause you, and then we can mess, okay? No, don't mess. Yeah, pumpkin, let's go there. Um, oh, wait, that's fine. Bro, like, you know, they can like one tap you. Where are you, bro? Okay, come, don't do that. See, Fountain City. Let's go here. Okay, now let's find him. Use your heart to see him. Oh, I see him. Here. This is transform Buddha, not awaken. Ah, 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 ah. Let's. Don't! Bro, don't, don't use that. No, don't, bro, don't. Yes, oh, okay. Don't attack. Okay, he deal. Oh my god, who deal that much damage? Okay, I'm running out. I'm running out. Go. Oh, get that little. Bro, where are you, bro? No problem. You gonna get that? Yes. Okay, let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go to there. Let's watch two tabs. You know, oh, bro. Thanks for saving my life. Look. Show your Z move home. Show your Z move home. No, to a player, bro. Okay, this is shit. Look. Mm-hmm. Okay, then like your X move. Okay. Show your X move. Much better than your loss. Very process. Oh, you can't use hockey. Bye bye. thanks for the free bounty. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna bounty. Wanna PvP? No, no, no. Not even enabled it, bro. It's not the fault that you're so bad at the game. Oh, you cannot attack me. Wait 10 seconds. I need to equip them. So I said, right? 5, 3. Yeah, I can do like that. Huh? How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? Oh, snake, yeah. Try from the synthesis. Try from the synthesis. Try. Mm-hmm. And even PvP. I'm gonna shout without Buddha. You can be with Buddha. I can be no. I can don't have. I can have Buddha. Okay. Enable your PvP. Wait, I need to get full health. Same. Wait, I need to do some changes. No. Okay. You can roll. You can see me. Churchy for this. Okay, I'm so why I am so low, bro. Aşılama bro. Ne aşılamayın? Let's do a rematch, okay? I enable it. Enable mail. Huh? Enable mail. Enable. Easy. Okay, I won't use victory, okay? I won't use it. Okay? Enable your PC. One now. Fine. How you like that, huh? Okay, you kind of strong, bro. Easy. I'm not even using Buddha, bro. Easy. Look, I'm gonna heal myself at 5,000, okay? If you can heal me that much. Okay, I'm 5k health. Attack me, attack me. Too slow, buddy, too slow. Wait, I'm not using V3. Okay, I have 2,000 health, bro. Okay, I have 2,000 health, bro. Bro, okay, I can do it. I'm gonna do it 5k now, okay? I'm 2k. Wait, bro. Wait, bro. Okay, listen, bro. Bro, I just made 50 stuck. bye. Look, look, look. I can catch you. I can catch you. Okay? I'm gonna use Buddha and you can use Buddha. Okay? And I'm gonna catch you. Okay, run, 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 run. Bro, cool. I guess you can go a little bit further because I was too good. I'm not using it. It's not a snapshot. Okay, okay, now you can go more. Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna catch you. One, two, three. Yeah. I'm catching you. One. I'm gonna catch you, brother. I'm gonna catch you. I'm able to see. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, bud. Where are you? I felt the. Where are you, bro? Why are you Buddha, bro? Now you can. What? Where are you? I can see you. I can't. I can't. Oh, you never know. I'm with the turtle now. Huh. Oh, bro, so bad. I love using observation. Oh, oh, wait. Oh, so we tried next. I'm sorry, bro. You're. Oh, bro, I hate you. Bro. No? Where are you, bro? Yeah? This is a manhunt, bro. No, bro. Oh, you're even faster now. I'm so on the. Where are you, bro? Where are you? It's impossible to get to you. Okay, and that's enough. Run while you can. Somewhere. I don't see you. No, I don't. I'm not. You're wrong. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna guess. Okay, got two. Like good. I'm not surprised. What? No. Where are you, bro? Brother, where? Oh, stop. No, look at you. Where are you? I'm looking. hunter. Sabar two hunter. Okay, sabar two. Okay, if you can catch me, okay, I'm gonna give you a pain, okay? Okay, I can give you the favorite reason. Just try to catch. Bye bye. I got you. I won the manhunt. I won the manhunt. Then catch me. You have to catch me. Okay, I'm not using portal, okay? Okay. I won't use portal, okay? Okay? Let's go for you. No, bro. No. Okay, look. Let's meet at the starter point. No way. Bro, no. Not much here, bro. Bro, not now, like I'm installing this sword here, bro. Bro, don't attack me. Then I don't attack me because I can't uninstall it that you could kill me, bro. You dumbass. I'm literally unstarting. I uninstalled it right now. Wait, I need to do one thing. You know where I am? Look, I'm gonna uninstall things. Equip. This, you can kill me now. You gotta get it. Oh, look, I have it in my hand. You're getting it. Tem uma xícara que vai antes no grau. Detalhes no site, no bro. Get it. If you can find me now, I'm not gonna move swap, okay? If you can find me now, I'm not gonna swap. Where are they? I can't. No, I don't use swap. You're never finding me. I have no idea, bro. What? No. Then just watch the clip. Okay, I'm going. One of that I have 1v1. I'm better. I'm better. It's literally the last 1v1 I'm gonna do today because like my video is already 57 minutes. You have to edit it. Okay. Join the cast. Okay. But show your screen. Show your screen, bro. When you roll. Okay, okay. Show it. No. Okay, very good. I'm better than you. I'm gonna play the 79 move because I'm just better than you. Just know 109 did that. No, no, I'm gonna run you, bro. Easy GG. What? No. No. Okay. No. You don't have it. What? No. I didn't you pick really fast? I saw when you played that. I'm looking at the goal. I'm the goal. Ah, yes, this is the Muslim too. Let me know. Okay, I'm going RPG first. There's one. I'm RPG. There's one. First. Next. Okay. I tried hiding. I didn't realize. I was thinking so much of that. Easy. One more nice one, okay? That's nice. This one, oh, you got me a free level. Thank you. Take that, you okay? Let's go. I'm gonna put sniper. Let's put sniper only, okay? See? Sniper only. Okay? And just stay that, okay? You so pretty, bro. Bro. I'm even beating it. I think this one over that is all of that. Enter. Enter. Oh, my phone died. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh, really.